new spacer. So I moved the gear out. It was running right against this. So I moved it out. I swapped the bushings that were in here and here because this back bushing was good. So I put it on this side. This one that was wallered up and down, I put it in here so it's tight this way, but it will actually flop this way, which doesn't affect the disengagement of this gear, the drive gear. That gear's wore out. I actually need a new one, but it's in there deep enough to where it'll stay connected. Then this collar was down a ways, so when you flipped it upside down, this here would disengage a little bit, and sometimes the tank would jump and slip. But with this pushed all the way in against that bushing, this right here locks it in. And so now the tank's all the way in there like it's supposed to be. And let's see. That's gonna work, dudes. And I put some oil in this thing here. Oiled the motor because who knows when it's been oil bath. So we'd be good to go now.